Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore how to personalize your watch with a stunning wallpaper from Joyful Colorama. First things first, let's download our favorite Joyful Colorama wallpaper onto our phone. Now, open up the Samsung Galaxy Wear app on your phone. Here's where the magic begins. Navigate to Watch Faces, and then scroll up to Photos under Basic Watch Faces. Tap Customize. Tap Background, then Pictures, and when prompted, go to Gallery. Now select that gorgeous wallpaper you just downloaded from Joyful Colorama. Once you've picked your wallpaper, hit Done at the top right, and then Done again at the lower right. Choose from various layouts like digital at the bottom or top, with or without seconds, a cool vertical layout, or a classic analog watch. For digital clock lovers, you can even customize your clock font and color. There are plenty of fonts and colors to choose from. When you're happy with your masterpiece, tap Save, and that's it. Your new wallpaper is now active on your watch and a reflection of your vibrant personality. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as we love bringing it to you. Your support for Joyful Colorama means the world to us, and we can't wait to see how you bring your watch to life with our designs. Please share your picture on your favorite social media network and tag us at Joyful Colorama. Subscribe to stay updated with our latest creations and tutorials. Don't forget to visit joyfulcolorama.com for more colorful designs. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, keep time and style, and above all, keep it joyful. Until next time.